Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're good. Yes, I'm back again. Well, yeah, I know I haven't been around in a while. It's just been really hectic, honestly. I'm not gonna even lie to you. But I graced myself with this beautiful long weekend South Africa blessed us with. Happy Women's Day, everyone. Happy Women's Month, actually. I hope you're having an amazing month. To all the women out there, you guys are amazing and keep doing you, boo boo. I'm joking. Anyway, so I bought a video bag. I did this look for Eid, since Eid is on Monday, and I hope you sort of like it. I did something different. I just tried it. I hope you like it. So it's in here. So get your popcorn or your makeup out and try it with me, because this was a rocky one actually. First time I tried my lashes, I got the lashes a few months back actually. I didn't know how to do it then, and I was like, oh, it's Eid, let me try it, do a look with it. Hope you guys like the look. If you do like the look, keep watching and hopefully I'll be back again with the new video. I hope so. Bye guys, I'll see you soon. Enjoy the video. Fit me 3, 5, 6. My brush. And I'm gonna go with the concealer, like okay, did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go with go underneath my brow again with the LA Girl concealer, just underneath so it highlights it. So I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk palette. Okay, and we're gonna do this together. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this color. I think it's called Amber. Use my makeup brush. Now I'm gonna dust off the baking on Jordan Woods lashes by Awraah. Use Avon mascara. It's called Multiplied. It's called Lingerie in color, called Lippy 12. And then I'm gonna use the matte lip liquid by Body Shop. Color is called Windsor Rose 032. That's what I'll be using. I don't know if you can see that, but the contour. The highlighter Fenty Beauty from Kilowatt. Yeah, so this is my look. And that's my Eid look. So if you like this look, comment below, and I don't know, just if you like it, comment below. Let me know what other videos you do want to see. Straight up, I'm super busy and it's public holiday, so I thought let me do a video since I haven't done one in a long time. So I'm back. I did one, and hopefully I'm always doing this in every video, so don't take anything from my mouth forward. But I did one. I bought one back. I did a previous one on a lookbook. You can go check that out, and I'll leave that in the description below. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a bit. I hope so. And enjoy your holiday, your long holiday, and everyone in the world, enjoy your weekend, and